In this video, we're going to go over how to generate leads online for your direct mail business opportunity, quick and easy. Hi, my name is Amanda Ray, and I've been doing direct mail since 2016, and I have now taken my direct mail business online because it helps me with managing time, actually getting more people to see my opportunity, and bringing traffic in quick and easy. So what we're going to do is basically start off with the fundamentals of what you need in order to actually start generating leads and sales online when you have a direct mail opportunity. And I'm going to take you through this step by step. So let's head over to my computer. The first thing that you're going to need when generating leads online is a website. You're going to need a funnel, and it basically consists of a website. So a capture page, and then you're going to need the actual website itself for your direct mail or postcard opportunity. So this is my main website here that gives information about what I do and the different opportunities I'm involved with. Not only that, it tells people a little bit about me, and what they can do is click on the link, and it's going to take them to an opt-in page, a capture page, where I'm going to be able to capture people's information to send them more information about what I do down the line. And this is important because normally when a person actually takes a look at your business opportunity, they may not purchase the first time around. They may not have the funds to do so, or they may just be trying to get a feel of you and if this is the right business opportunity for them. So what you want to do is continuously follow up with them through sending an email about your opportunity to the email that they provide. So a person can put their email in here and then hit show me how. And what that's going to do is send them over to my website. Now, what I have done is I have created a membership site where people can get a website for any direct mail business opportunity or any postcard program opportunity. And the reason why I decided to do this is because a lot of people are promoting opportunities and do not have a website. Maybe because they can't afford it, or they just don't know how to create one that is attractive enough and gives the information about their business. So what I've done is I put together 3 different websites people can actually choose from that will promote their business opportunity. And that membership site is actually going to be up and running within another week and a half or so, where there's going to be a ton of information and also customized products that you're going to be able to purchase at a really reasonable rate for your business opportunity. And the reason why I created this site is because this is all of the things I wish I would have had when I first started, which includes the blueprint, a calendar to pretty much put out what you're going to do on a daily basis, the different traffic sources you can use. And I have listed a ton of them. And I assure you, if you take 3 and you stick to it consistently, you will start to see results within your business. So here what we have is a website for Impact Mailing Club. And this website has been converting for myself and other members of my team really well, because what it does is give you information about Mailbox Cash, how to get started, what direct mail is all about. Not only that, it goes to a button where you're going to actually be able to add your form for people to click on. And when they click on this button, it's going to bring up your form for your business opportunity. So it's a way for people to get started. And anything can go here, basically, when you want someone to start your opportunity, however you reach out to them for them to get started. As we scroll down, it's going to also give you information for the team bonuses that's included when you become a part of my team. And if people have questions, there's a phone number where they can actually reach out to me. Now, as we scroll down, it tells you you choose your earning potential. So You can choose, what you want to get paid, depending on how much you can afford, what level you want to come in at. It's going to, of course, the higher you are, the more money you're going to be able to make. But I tell everybody to come in where what's most comfortable for you. People are going to be able to download your postcard or flyer straight from the website. 3 simple steps to actually get started. And it tells you exactly what to do in order to start getting paid. And then you'll start to receive checks or cash money orders in the mail on a consistent basis as you follow the blueprint that I'm going to give to you daily. This is something that you have to stick with for at least the first 90 to 120 days to start seeing consistent results. This is not a get rich quick overnight opportunity, but it is a real opportunity and it works. So then as you scroll down, there's real members from the team that is giving their proof of how they have received payments utilizing Impact Mailing Club system. And then it tells you what you need to get started and what you don't need to get started. So here, people are going to know that this is very newbie friendly and that they don't need to have any type of background in direct mail marketing in order to get started and become successful. So you don't need a business experience, technical skills, large networks. You don't have to have a large following. You don't have to talk to strangers. You don't need to pitch this to family and friends. And you don't have to figure this out alone. We also have a chat room on Facebook where we connect weekly, and you can actually get involved and get more information about how to get started, how to plug other people in, and the most effective strategies that we use so that you can start and continue to get paid over and over and over again. What you do need, is a desire to get results, motivated to take action, be able to follow simple steps, have at least 1 hour per day, at least 4 days a week, and an address with the mailbox. So then here again, it has the Get Started Now button for them to go directly to my form. If they want to connect with me on Facebook, they could click this, and this will send them directly to my Facebook page. So the reason why you want a website for your direct mail opportunity or your postcard opportunity is because people connect with people. And you want a place where a person can go to get to know, like, and trust you and feel comfortable enough to join your opportunity. If you do not have a website, this is going to drastically decrease the amount of signups you're going to receive, because what's going to happen is when a person receives a flyer or postcard in the mail about your opportunity, they're more than likely are going to go to YouTube to check out that program if you do not have a website. And that's not what we want. We want people to go directly to the source, which is directly to you. So they need to have a way to contact you. Not only that, a way to look up the information online to make sure that it is a legitimate business opportunity. That's extremely important. So one of the ways that I use my website to get leads on a consistent basis is through Facebook. And in the beginning, when I first got onto Facebook, it wasn't working. It wasn't something that allowed me to get consistent results because I wasn't getting enough people to look at my opportunity. And this went on for over a year. I've seen a lot of other people that were getting results, but I wasn't one of them until I purchased the training. And I'm going to take you over so you can actually see what that looks like. So I purchased this fail-proof traffic training, which cost me less than $100. And once I started utilizing it, when I got into my 3rd week of utilizing the strategy, I started to get ongoing leads and payments from the posts that I was putting out. Not only that, I went from getting 15 to 30 likes per post up to 200, sometimes even 400 likes per post. And as you can see here, you know, there's a lot of testimonials on people that are using this traffic strategy. And guys, it works. It wasn't working when I didn't have it, when I was just using Facebook trying to figure it out on my own. But once I went through this fail-proof traffic strategy, I started to get results within my first few weeks. And it's been very consistent. If you go over to my Facebook page now, you'll see where I have a lot of people that engage with me, and that's how I get a lot of my online sales and payouts for different opportunities that I'm involved with. So if you click on the description below, you'll see a button to get this traffic training. But not only that, it's going to show you exactly what's included when you purchase this training. You don't have to figure out what you're going to write. It's going to come with the posts that you're going to put up. And by utilizing this training consistently, you will start to see results within your business, just like I did. And it's just about knowing what to do, what not to do, what brings people to your page and what keeps them away. And not only that, once you start doing what Facebook wants you to do, which is engage with other people, you will start to see more people engaging with you. And that's what this fail-proof traffic training is going to show you how to do. So if you want more information about direct mail or how to get more leads and sales with Facebook, all you have to do is click on the description below. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you again tomorrow with another video. Have a good night.